In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms with a bank transfer and QR code payment option in just 5 minutes. This process is really straightforward and I'm here to guide you step by step through the entire setup. Whether you're collecting payments for an event, product or service, this efficient method is sure to make your life easier and keep your transactions organized. Let's begin with navigating to Google Drive. This is where we'll start the process of creating our Google form. Once you're inside Google Drive, go ahead and click on the New button. This option allows you to create a variety of files, but for today's purpose, you'll want to select Google Forms from the drop-down menu. Once you've chosen Google Forms, you'll see the option to select a blank form. By selecting this, you'll have the chance to tailor your form precisely to your needs. It's important that the form reflects the information you wish to collect, and you can achieve that with a blank template. After your blank form appears, it's time to give it a name. This could be anything that helps you identify it later, and it's good practice to choose something relevant like payment form or event registration. Naming your form is just the beginning. Now let's add some essential fields, starting with the basics. Name, email, and phone number. These fields will be crucial for identifying your respondents and ensuring you have the necessary contact information. For additional customization, you can add a section to your form. This is where you'll manage your payment options. Name this new section QR code and bank transfer. Having a dedicated section for payment details will help your form maintain a clear and organized flow. Within this section, you'll need to set up everything you need for payments, which includes adding a question or request for the respondents to send you a screenshot of their payment confirmation. This adds an extra layer of verification and helps you keep track of transactions efficiently. Now you'll want to configure this question to ensure it's linked to the payment section. Properly configuring the question will make sure that respondents can navigate smoothly and that their responses are recorded in the right place. Once you're satisfied with the setup, you can click on Publish to make your form live. Publishing your form means it's ready to be shared with your intended audience, whether it's through email, embedded on a website, or shared on social media. Before wrapping up, take a moment to preview your form. Previewing lets you experience the form as your respondents will, and it's a great way to catch any errors or inconsistencies before it goes live. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a Google form with both bank transfer and QR code payment options. This streamlined process not only simplifies collecting payments, but also ensures that your transactions are handled efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy form creating.